children, very good morning. Yesterday we discussed the lesson Rani's first day at school. Yesterday we discussed the lesson and you have to underline the hard words. Yesterday you do the homework, children? Yes. Okay, children. Now we are see the question and answers here. 32 page number. Where is Rani going? Tell me, children, where is Rani going? Rani is going to school. Where is Rani going? Rani is going to school. Next one, who is holding Rani's hand? Tell me, who is holding Rani's hand? Mummy is holding Rani's hand. Mummy is holding Rani's hand. See the new words, children. Here is the two new words. Shall we read it? Yes. First one, grown up. Grown up means become big. From in our childhood we are in this size, no? Yes. From years we are growing like this. Okay. So grown up means become big. Grown up means become big. Next one, disappear. Disappear. Disappear means when a person can't be seen anymore. We didn't see the person. We didn't see the person or thing anymore. So that means disappear. Disappear means we can't see the person or thing anymore. So read, children. GROWN, grown. GROWN, grown. UP, up. Grown up. Grown up. Become big. Become big. PECOME, become. BIG, big. Become big. Next one, disappear. DIS, dis. APPER, appear. Disappear. Disappear means when a person cannot be seen anymore. When a person cannot be seen anymore. So disappear means when a person cannot be seen anymore. Okay, do you understand, children? Read it. Disappear. DIS APPER, disappear. When a person cannot be seen anymore. Okay. Now you have to write the hard words, children. All of you take out your classwork notebooks. English classwork notebook. Take out your English classwork notebook and write down the hard words in our 6th lesson. In our 6th lesson. What is our 6th lesson name, children? Rani's first day at school. Rani's first day at school. This is our lesson name, children. Very long. Rani's first day at school. Rani first day at school. Enter the lesson name, children. RANI, Rani. S, Rani's first day. FIRST, first. DAY, day. First day. At, AT, at. SCHOOL, school. First day at school. This is our lesson name. This is our lesson name, children. And now you have to enter hard words. HARD, hard. WORDS, words. Hard words. Enter the lesson name first. And next you have to enter hard words. HARD, hard. WORDS, words. Hard words. First of all, you have to enter lesson name. After that, you have to enter hard words. HARD, hard. WORDS, words. Hard words. Finish, children. And now we are writing the hard words. Shall I rub the board? Okay, now we have to write the hard words. Give the number, children. First number 1. Okay. We have to write the hard words. Okay. Hold. HOLD, hold. Our first word, hold. Write neatly, children. HOLD, hold. HOLD, hold. Second one, mummy. MUMMY, mummy. This is not a hard word, but write down, children. MUMMY, mummy. Read the spelling, children. MUMMY, mummy. School. grown up. GROWN, grown. UP, up, grown up. Walking, WALK, walk. ING, walking. All of you read and write, children. Read and write. Don't write blindly. Read and write. WALK, walk. ING, walking. Like that you have to read, okay? Walking. WALK, walk. ING, walking. Next one, leave. LEAVE, leave. LEAVE, leave. Tight. TIGHT, tight. TIGHT, tight. TIGHT, tight. Next one, children. Eighth one, children. CHILDREN, children. CHILDREN, children. CHILDREN, children. Next word, near. NEAR, near. NEAR, near. NEAR, near. Next word, rickshaw. RICKSHAW, rickshaw. RICKSHAW, rickshaw. RICKSHAW, rickshaw. Cycle. CYCLE, cycle. Our 12th word, reach. REACH, reach. REACH, reach. Alone. ALONE, alone. ALONE, alone. Stay. STAY, stay. STAY, stay. STAY, stay. Around. AROUND, around. AROUND, around. AROUND, around. Okay, down your pencils, children. Read the hard words. Down your pencils, fold your hands, and now you have to read the hard words. HOLD, hold. HOLD, hold. MUMMY, mummy. MUMMY, mummy. SCHOOL, school. SCHOOL, school. GROWN, grown. UP, up, grown up. GROWN, grown. UP, up, grown up. Walking. WALK, walk. ING, walking. WALK, walk. ING, walking. Leave. Leave. LEAVE, leave. LEAVE, leave. TIGHT, tight. TIGHT, tight. CHILDREN, children. CHILDREN, children. CHILDREN, children. Near. NEAR, near. NEAR, near. Rickshaw. RICKSHAW, rickshaw. RICKSHAW, rickshaw. CYCLE, cycle. CYCLE, cycle. Reach. REACH, reach. REACH, reach. Alone. ALONE, alone. ALONE, alone. ALONE, alone. Stay. STAY, stay. STAY, stay. Around. AROUND, around. AROUND, around. some more? Okay. Shall I rub the board, children? Yes. AROUND, around. Okay, we have to write the 17th one. Up here finish, children. Up here finish. Okay, children, next one. Seventeenth one, smiles. S-M-I-L-E-S, smiles. S-M-I-L-E-S, smiles. Next one, disappear. D-I-S, dis. A-P-P-E-A-R, appear. Disappear. D-I-S, dis. A-P-P-E-A-R, appear. Disappear. Disappear. Okay, inside. I-N in. S-I-D-E, side. Inside. I-N in. S-I-D-E, side. Inside. Okay, next one. Feel. F-E-E-L, feel. F-E-E-L, feel. F-E-E-L, feel. These are the hard words, children, in our 6th lesson. Okay, down your pencils and start reading, children. S-M-I-L-E-S, smiles. S-M-I-L-E-S, smiles. Disappear. D-I-S, dis. A-P-P-E-A-R, appear. Disappear. D-I-S, dis. A-P-P-E-A-R, appear. Disappear. Inside. I-N-N, S-I-D-E, side. Inside. I-N-N, S-I-D-E, side. Inside. Feel. F-E-E-L, feel. F-E-E-L, feel. F-E-E-L, feel. Okay, children, these are the hard words in our lesson number 6. Okay, shall we write the question and answer, children? Shall we write the question and answers? Okay. Turn the page, children, and write down the question and answers. First one. Our first question. Where is Rani going? Where is Rani going? W-H-E-R-E, where? W-H-E-R-E, where? W-H-E-R-E, where? Is, I-S is, Rani. R-A-N-I, Rani. R-A-N-I, Rani. Zivo, go. I-N-Zing, going. Where is Rani going? Where is Rani going? Rani is going to school. Rani is going to school. So write down the full sentence, children. Write down the full sentence. Where is Rani going? Rani is going to school. R-A-N-I, Rani. I-S is, Rani is. Read and write, children. Read and write. R-A-N-I, Rani. I-S is, Rani is. Where is Rani going? Rani is going to school. Zivo, go. I-N-Zing, going to. D-O, going to school. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. Rani is going to school. Rani is going to school. Full stop, children. At the ending of the sentence, we are using full stop. For this question, we are using question mark. Where is Rani going? Rani is going to school. Where is Rani going? Rani is going to school. R-A-N-I, Rani is. I-S is. G-O, go. I-N-Zing, going. T-O, S-C-H-O-O-L, school. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. of children? Where is Rani going? Rani is going to school. Read with spellings, children. W-H-E-R-E, where? I-S is R-A-N-I, Rani. Going. Z-O-I-N-G, going. Z-O, go. I-N-G, going. Where is Rani going? Rani is going to school. R-A-N-I, Rani. I-S is Rani is going. Z-O, go. I-N-G, going. T-O, to. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. Rani is going to school. Rani is going to school. Okay. Okay, first question finish, children. Okay, shall we write the second question? Shall I rub the board? Okay. Our second question. Who is holding Rani's hand? W-H-O, who is, I-S is, who is holding, H-O-L-D, hold, I-N-G, holding, who is holding Rani's hand, R-A-N-I, Rani, S, Rani's hand, H-A-N-D, hand, question mark, H-A-N-D, hand, who is holding Rani's hand, who hold Rani's hand, who is holding Rani's hand, tell me ma, yes, mummy is holding Rani's hand, so here you write mummy, M-U-M-M-Y, mummy, M-U-M-M-Y, mummy, I-S is, mummy is holding, H-O-L-D, hold, I-N-G, holding, mummy is holding Rani's hand, R-A-N-I, Rani, S, Rani's hand, H-A-N-D, hand, mummy is holding Rani's hand, who is holding Rani's hand, mummy, M-U-M-M-Y, mummy, I-S is, mummy is holding, H-O-L-D, hold, I-N-G, holding, R-A-N-I, Rani, S, Rani's hand, H-A-N-D, hand, mummy is holding Rani's hand. Read it, children. Who is holding Rani's hand? Mummy is holding Rani's hand. Read along with me. Down your pencils, children. W-H-O, who, I-S is, who is holding, H-O-L-D, hold, I-N-G, holding, Rani's, R-A-N-I, Rani, S, Rani's hand, H-A-N-D, hand, who is holding Rani's hand, who is holding Rani's hand, yes, mummy is holding Rani's hand, M-U-M-M-Y, mummy, I-S is, mummy is holding, H-O-L-D, hold, I-N-G, holding, R-A-N-I, Rani, S, Rani's hand, H-A-N-D, hand, mummy is holding Rani's hand. Okay, enter in your class of children. Fast. Write neatly and write on fast. Okay, children, see this? Shall I rub the board, children? Okay, see, children, here is a picture, page number 34. Here is a picture and here is a question and answer. See the picture and answer the questions, okay? See this picture, children. Look at the picture below and answer the following questions. Here is a picture and we have to see the picture and answer the questions, okay? See this? Observe the picture carefully. Here is a horse and two men and here is a wheels, okay? Only one horse is there and two men are there. One man is sitting and one man is riding the horse. What is the man doing? Riding the horse and another man sitting, okay? See the question and answers. Questions, children. First question. There are dash men How many men? One or two? Yes, two men are in the picture. TWO, two. So where is two? A1 is 5, 3, 2. So C is the 2. So here you write C. Okay. First one C. Okay. So you have to write C in this blank. Okay. Next one. A dash is pulling the cart. Who is pulling the cart? Monkey or horse? Yes. Horse is pulling the cart. So here you write horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. So where is horse? A is donkey, B is monkey, C is cow, and D is horse. So here you write D. Okay. In that bracket you have to write D. Okay. The plural form of horse. What is the plural form of horse? Tell me. If the word is ends with X or S or O, we are adding ES. Okay. The word ends with X or O or S. We are adding ES. But here is the word ends with letter E. So we are writing only S. Horses. Okay. Here you see children, the word ends with the letter X or O or S. We are adding ES. Okay. We are adding ES. But the word ends with the letter E. So we are adding only S. Horses. Horses. See where is horses? Yes. A is horses. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Yes. Horses. A children. So you have to write A. A. You have to write A. A is the horses. Only add S. Don't add ES. The words end with E. So we are writing only S. Okay. Horses. Write on A. Okay. Fourth one. The cart has two big. See children. The cart has two big wheels. We are seeing the wheels now. In this picture, the cart has two wheels. So where is wheels? Yes, B is wheels. W-H-E-E-L-S. Wheels. So here you write B. B is the wheels. So here you write B. The word dash describes the color of the horses. What is the color of the horse, children? See, what is the color of the horse? Yes, the horse is brown in color. The horse is brown in color. So here you write brown, B-R-O-W-N, brown. Where is brown? Yes, A is brown. A option is brown. So here you write A. Okay. Next one, look at the picture below and answer the following questions. Another picture is there, children. Answer this. Copy answers this in your textbook, children. Okay. How many men are in the picture? Two men. TWO. Two men are in the picture. So the C is the answer. Next one. Who is pulling the cart? Who is pulling the cart? Horse or monkey? Yes, horse is pulling the cart. H-O-R-S-E, horse. So here you write D. Okay, next one. What is the plural form of horse? The word ends with the letter E. So we are adding only S. Horses. So the answer is A. Okay, next one. Next question. The cart has two big. The cart has two big wheels. So where is wheels? B is the wheels. So here you write B. Okay. Next one. What is the color of the horse? The horse is in brown color. The horse is in brown color. So A is brown. So here you write A. Okay. Next one. Look at the picture below and answer the following questions. Another picture is there, children. See the picture. Here are the children. Children are walking on the strip. Okay. See children. There are dash children wearing caps. How many children are wearing caps in this picture? Shall we count? Blue cap and two are brown color caps. 1, 2, 3. How many children are wearing caps? 3 children. How many children? Shall we count? 1, 2, 3. How many fishes, children? 1, 2, 3, and another one is also there. 4. So total number of fishes are 4. How many fishes are there? 4 fishes. So where is 4? F-O-U-R, 4. F-O-U-R, 4. So B1 is 4. B1 is 4. Okay. Write on B. Okay. Turn the page, children. Turn the page. The children dash going on the adventure. The children are R or is more than 1. So we are writing R. A-R-E. The children are going. The children are going. So where is R? C is R. So we are writing C. Okay. In that bracket you have to write C. The children are walking across A. Where are the children walking? The children are walking across the stream. Across the stream. We already know about the stream. So, A1, stream. The children are crossing the stream. So, here you write A. Okay. Fifth one. There are rocks on both sides of the stream. A rock is a big. A rock means, you know, rock. Rock means a big stone. Rock means a big stone. So here you see a rock is a big stone. S-T-O-N-E, stone. S-T-O-N-E, stone. So here you write B. Okay. Where is stone, children? B is stone. So here you write B. Stone. S-T-O-N-E, stone. A rock is a big stone. Okay. This is our lesson, children. Rani's first day at school. And today you have to read the question and answers. Where is Rani going? Who is holding Rani's hand? You have to read these two question and answers. Tomorrow I will ask you, okay? And tomorrow I will conduct ST. Definitely I will conduct ST. You have to answer that question. So you have to practice more. Okay? Tomorrow I will meet you, children. Bye. Don't forget the homework.